Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying SS06 appears consistently and capturing the exact error context. This tells you whether it's systemic or a recent regression. Next, backup current configuration and any critical data so you can revert if needed. Then open logs and a terminal to start live diagnosis. You need both timestamps and process ID. Once done, make sure power and network are stable so your changes won't be interrupted, and prepare to reproduce the failure immediately for accurate testing. You reproduce SS06 and collect stack traces plus timestamped logs to find the root cause. This step narrows down whether it's permission, resource, or state related. Then isolate the suspected subsystem and change one variable at a time so you know what affects the outcome. Make a small, reversible config change or patch and test immediately. As you proceed, annotate results so you can backtrack. This disciplined approach prevents cascading failures and explains why the fix resolves the error. You finalize by running full regression tests and watching logs for at least 15 to 30 minutes to confirm SS06 no longer appears. Consistent silence in logs is your green light. If the problem persists, revert to your backup to restore service and escalate with the artifacts you saved, logs, configs, and reproduction steps to speed debugging. One key troubleshooting tip: check time synchronization and permission mismatches early, because subtle clock drift, or ACL errors, commonly cause intermittent SS06-like failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.